What?
Allison's. You mean Alvarado?
Sisters.
Alexander Trey.
She was yapping to me. I sent him bad photos. I showed her bad photos
Of Alvarado, like Alex.
yeah, and she gave me a fat glob of lotion. Like, it feels so weird.
Hey, what? What happened to that one more time thing?
One more time what?
What behaving?
I never said anything.
I can send you to Miss Press.
Huh?
I can send you to Miss Press then?
Where is she at?
She's right across the way. Or I'll just text her to come over here.
No. Okay, you're in my vlog
Again?
Are you gonna play Just to Impress again?
again. Oh yeah, play Just Impress.
Oh, your hands are so full.
Alright, go ahead and get your books out. Your amplifier books. Why are we so late?
I had to take care of business.
I have to take care of business and market cards.
That's okay.
Huh?
Let's run it.
Alexander Trey.
For fun.
Is Angelina not here?
Because I'm trying to like find someone.
By Alex.
Amos? Bro, that's an unfair fight.
How?
Because he's taller than me. And he knows how to fight.
You gonna let me see?
No, you can't see me, bro. He's not.
Oh, I see her.
Mr. Arnold, can you tell me to move out of my way?
Now, why should you turn down? Chilling here.
I don't care.
Where's Jacob at?
You have chips, Oscar?
Alex can't go anywhere. Come here!
If you're not in your assigned seat, I'm going to mark you tardy.
Mister is out of my it's out of my control, so I can't.
Mr. Alex Train is out of my
Like, what's going on? What's going on?
Alright, absences are Jacob and Angelina.
And Mary.
Speaker. Where's the speaker? Where's the Where's the lunch? Where's the lunch?
Where's are all the biggies that, except the all the biggies that are coming home?
I didn't like Christian. Christian, have a seat. Where have you been? Are you tardy?
I'm right here.
No, you came in late.
Oh, it wasn't.
No, you just came in here late.
No,
Why
he
are you
came in
tardy?
late. He was in the restroom.
Alright, Christian's tardy.
Bro, what?
Bro,
I thought you got...
My wife is fine.
You started sleeping.
Ryan, you're too.
I already loaded, so I already told her it's not to stop
Is it
looking
down
at
here?
her. We're not dating. I don't even look at her.
What's your take?
what is this balloon for?
I don't know.
Alright, turn your books to page... Turn your page 17.
Guys, start.
Someone already left you, eh?
There's only 3 people on our table, including us.
Mr. Arnold!
My phone is going when I'm sitting down right now. Like, I thought that was good.
Wait, see my hair? It's so soft.
Why is this so much?
Okay, so I keep on playing. I keep on playing with my hair. Like, with the pattern, like, turn straight up.
No, because, like, why is this so long?
That's pretty shocking. Because what? My hair, it like goes like right here.
When you wet it?
Yeah. Once like drenched in water.
Listen,
But right now.
we're on page 17. We're gonna fill it out.
Like up to right here.
All right. So it says, turn back. So we looked over at this simulation, right? It says using what you've learned reading this simulation, write a new caption. All right, actually, complete the following sentences about photosynthesis using the word bank. Not all words used. So photosynthesis is done by what? What does photosynthesis? Producers, consumers,
Bro, I need to show this.
snackies. Hey!
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Mukbang?
No, I
Mukbang.
got nothing.
Bro! There's something wrong, right? We put it in the middle.
We're on page 17. We're answering the questions. I'm going to put your name down.
What I play?
Yeah, put that chair away. Yeah, hurry up. You know better. Why are we eating in the middle of class?
Yeah, Dad, look at us eating.
Can't you just wait till lunch?
Nuh-uh.
Alright, where's your book at? Ryan, where's your book?
Jump up! Jump up! You got screen.
Alright, so photosynthesis is done by what? What's it done by? Producers or consumers?
Sunlight, energy, and it travels to
Producers, good. So write it down. So write it in. If you're using a book, if you're borrowing a book from the bookshelf, make sure you write it in your journal instead. You gotta write on the booklet.
It's jump. Oh wait, you already know. Yeah.
Where's your book? No, I'll tell you.
Bro.
I don't know why you guys don't bring them when I told you to bring them. Just have a seat.
Because we don't have them.
Why don't you have them?
Help me! Yeah, we watched them.
So naturally, some of us don't have it.
These are lemons.
Okay, now we're biggie.
Hey, put those away. No, put it all away.
Hey, he's giving
I
it
don't
to
wanna look at
us.
it.
I
Put
can't
it back
help
in the
it.
bag. I don't want to
We
look
don't
at
have a
it.
bag.
Put it back in the bag. Hurry up. I don't want that mess all over the place. No, don't hide it.
We won't make a mess.
I'm going to put so
We'll
many
hurry.
names now.
Hey, Oscar gave it to us.
I don't care what else.
We don't want to waste food.
Alright, photosynthesis is done by what? Producers.
Just
This
swallow
process
it.
requires what from sunlight? Energy.
Swallow it.
Energy from sunlight.
What I play? What the hell?
Hey.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Secretly eating.
We're on page 17.
Mr. Are you having a bad day?
I'm having a bad week.
One.
Well, thank you.
Whoa!
This process requires energy from sunlight and what from abiotic matter? What do we think? No, they give off oxygen. Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. No, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Better play a dog, man.
Bro, I keep on stacking because of these pants. Anything I put in these pockets, they like fall down.
Mister, that Asian just touched me.
Can you not talk like that, please?
Go right away. Bro, what? How do you even know I'm Asian?
Bro, I'm surprised you couldn't even see me.
Alright, enough. Alright. So it takes, where were we? They take carbon from out of the atmosphere.
Go way out of his way to touch you.
What should I play? I'm gonna play miraculously.
Alright, photosynthesis makes blank for an ecosystem.
Guys, two different
Good.
shapes.
Energy storage molecules.
Do you have them?
Alright, we're all done on that one?
We can't write in these.
You can write in yourself.
You just use them. Just water.
Which I told you on Monday.
Yeah, I guess. Because I do it in the night. I don't feel like.
Alright, we're on page 18 now. We all ready? Alright, page 18.
Page 18, Matthew.
If you didn't write down all the stuff we just discussed, then that's on you. I'm not going to keep repeating.
I wasn't even here, so
Okay, yeah. You can copy.
I don't even have this.
So, I guess we'll go through 17. Photosynthesis is done by what? Review it real quick.
Done by producers, mister.
Producers. This process requires
Energy from the sunlight.
energy from the sunlight,
Carbon dioxide.
Wait, I need to remember.
carbon dioxide from abiotic matter, photosynthesis makes
Orange molecules.
Good. Get all that, Gal? Alright, page 18. So it says, listen. If you're not going to work, at least don't be disruptive. Alright. Listen up. Elodia is a producer that lives. Listen. Elodia is a producer that lives in fresh water. It's a
Unless you're
popular
buzzing.
place for plant or as a plant for aquariums. Learn more about it what in the process of photosynthesis by watching the
There's
video.
there's a homeless looking out the window.
What you can find. Okay, so we're gonna watch the video. So in the video it says, in the experiment, what factors affected the number of energy storage molecules in the Elodia plant that they make? So we're gonna watch the video on the Elodia plant. She's gonna be back Friday. She's over there.
Do you want me to finish this? Yeah. I got you.
I'm blind.
Please. That's like half of my.
She'll just see that you're not here. I don't think it'll be. Alright, we're watching the video. If you're talking during the video, I'm just gonna put your name down. No, we're not worrying about tape right now. No, you shouldn't have been messing around with it. Alright, we're watching the video. So pay close attention to it. We're answering the question after.
Did you write it down? It's like the best. Ready?
Carbon dioxide and water molecules. Let's change those molecules into energy storage molecules. We're going to do an experiment to test the effects of light on photosynthesis. To do this, we start with 4 vials filled with water. We'll put a water plant called Elodia into them. We know plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. So to find out whether a plant performed photosynthesis, we can look at how much carbon dioxide is in the water in these vials contains a chemical that shows the level of carbon dioxide in the water
yeah.
using color.
You knew that?
The
That's
yellow
crazy.
means
I
that
know.
there's a
It's
high
weird.
level of carbon dioxide. Green means that there's a low level. And blue means that there's no carbon dioxide. These vials are yellow because they have a high level of carbon dioxide. Now
Pay
we're going to
attention to
test
the video,
vials of light
please.
and some in the dark to test how light affects photosynthesis.
I'm the
Vials pink and vial
friend.
under the Next, we got vials
Allison?
foil so that no light
Is this she friend?
can last for 12 hours to see what light
They're kind of. I think so. I don't know. Because I saw them talk.
Now that 12 hours have gone by, we're going to take a look at what happened in photosynthesis.
What do you play?
Plant and vials
What do you play?
light source. Right, there was a plant in vial A. The color stayed yellow, indicating that the level of carbon dioxide remained high. That's because the plant did not perform photosynthesis.
Overall, I think I actually in my math now because she teaches schedule. Ashley.
Answer the question for this.
Ashley. No, but I think I have it in my math. Oh yeah, she changed her schedule.
Here comes that Asian again,
Math
bro.
last. Like I heard her say that she has math last.
Landry.
And then, yeah, I saw in Miss Amanda's computer, she changed her schedule.
Landry.
Hey, where my kiss at?
I need to go take a dookie, bro.
What the fuck?
Alright, so we're answering the question on page 18 now. So, alright? And again, if you don't have a book, get out your journal and write it in there. So just explain what happened in the video. How did it get its energy? Okay?
Are you done? Here, we can put it in the middle.
Did everyone watch the video? Understand the video okay? Yeah. We don't need to
I
watch it again.
understand it completely.
I don't know what's right. I don't know either. That was our mukbang. I did most of the mukbang, but yeah.
My tummy hurts.
I'm dying, but I can handle it. I also got. I can handle this. But I'm gonna have these at lunch. I got them from Chloe. I have to pay her $1 tomorrow. What's that? I got $1. Half $1.
Page 18 that we just watched the video of.
You wanna buy chips from her?
Yeah.
Huh? You wanna buy chips from her? She's from Chloe. Where's she? The little one. Chloe?
Can you just
$1.
walk, please? What do you know? There's Gabriel.
She might. I don't know if she's still selling. I don't know if she's sold out, but she's gonna go buy chips.
Which I can't stop you because. Alright. Go ahead and answer that question, then we're going to move on to the next page.
It's okay. We're so happy. Okay. So, at lunch. You can go to. Yeah. I'm part of it. It's okay, guys. It's okay.
Oh, so since the water has a lot of carbon, the what's it called? The ammonium plants can perform photosynthesis.
Yeah, which is more photosynthesis because of the light bulb. Right?
This is Chloe.
Yeah, and it acts like
Put
sunlight.
it on.
Alright, did everyone answer that? Ready to move on?
I'm on my hand.
Why is my hair?
No, have a seat.
You got it.
Why is it filtered?
I was cleaning the pencil on my picture. Because it was.
Ew, why is there a cow in here? Why is there a cow in here? I need to. Kind of.
I don't know why I do this. Alright, we're on page 19 right
To
now.
myself.
Moving on. Alright, it says homework. Where does chloroplast come from? You have learned that photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. What did I say? If you're not going to pay attention, you're not going to work, at least stop talking when I am. I'm not going to just keep talking on top of you guys. Especially when you guys don't even your assigned sheets. You have learned that photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast of producers. But where did the chloroplast come from and how did it end up in the producers? Read it, annotate, where did chloroplast come from, article, then answer the questions. We're going to read the article. So the article is in the back on, I think it's, let's see what page it's on. Where did
Wait, let's see how
chloroplast-
long
I think it's D1.
Okay, wait, I want to take a photo.
Yeah. So we're going to D1. Where did chloroplast come from?
Okay, ready? Okay.
And we're going to read that article to answer the question.
1. That's good.
Okay, so go ahead and go to D1.
You do 1. Let's see how long you do it.
Alright, ready? D1. Why are you here? We don't want to talk about you. Alright, ready?
Wait,
Alright, here we go.
D1.
Where did chloroplast come from? So the photo above shows plant cells under a microscope. The little green spots inside the cells are chloroplast. And then we have the diagram. This diagram shows organelles in a plant cell like your cells. A plant cell has a nucleus, a mitochondria, and a cell membrane. However, unlike your cells, the plant cells have chloroplast. Okay, so we see the diagram there. So that's a plant cell with chloroplast, and then a nucleus, a mitochondria, and a cell membrane. Okay? Now we'll read the article. Alright.
I don't want to go to
Where did chloroplast come from? Why can a plant make its own food through photosynthesis and you can't? It's because plant cells have something your cells don't have. The things you're missing are chloroplast. If you look at plant or algae cells under a microscope, you can see lots of tiny round green spots inside each cell. Those spots are the chloroplast. When you look at a green leaf, you're really seeing the color of the chloroplast inside the cells that make up the plant. Alright, so that's what that is there.
You know what's Italian brain?
Chloroplasts are a kind of organelle that's designed for a special cell part that performs important functions for a cell. Chloroplasts.
No, it's not funny when you say it.
Can you please
It's only
stop
funny
talking
when you
when
say it.
agrees?
Brr brr patapim.
You know, I've repeated that so many times. Chloroplasts are extremely important organelles for plants and algae because the chloroplasts are where photosynthesis takes place. So again, if this is your own book, you should be taking notes or putting the information in your science book.
You know the shark one? Like,
Because chloroplasts are where
the
photosynthesis
shalala. And then I also like
inside each chloroplast, water and carbon dioxide molecules are changed in a chemical reaction,
they have an obby of that.
forming
that
oxygen and glucose
Yeah, I saw it.
which the plant cell can use as food. The photosynthesis reaction is powered by energy from sunlight, and it's the basis of nearly every ecosystem on Earth. So that's important. If this is your book, you should highlight or underline that. The photosynthesis reaction is powered by energy from sunlight, and it's the basis for nearly every ecosystem on Earth. So that's super important, right? Where did chloroplasts come from? Here's the amazing thing. More than 1 billion years ago, these cell parts were independent bacteria. These ancient bacteria were similar in many ways to
I hate that
cyanobacteria,
they closed the
which
bathroom.
are a type of bacteria still alive today. If
Nutrition.
you've ever seen Fun Stone, the
Yeah.
great goop that often
I don't
grows in the
know,
surface of
but they're
small
open
ponds,
and
you've seen cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are bacteria
no, not pierce.
that
Passive.
can perform photosynthesis.
Just like when
And
you're.
so were the ancient bacteria that gave rise to chloroplasts.
I don't know. I think
At
because
the
like
time,
everyone's
all
always in there.
all
Trying
life
to
on
stay.
Earth
Oh
was in the
yeah.
form of bacteria and other single
But, like,
cell
you can easily
organisms
just
known as microorganisms.
It's okay.
Some ancient bacteria were able to perform
they close the door,
photosynthesis, while
Oh
many
yeah,
other
today me and Zoe
microorganisms
were in the
around them
restaurant.
could not.
We got
Somehow,
the
these are a few
they
different theories about how this happened. Some
you
ancient
open it from like
photosynthetic
inside?
bacteria were
You can't
absorbed
open
by
it from
other
the
larger
inside.
microorganisms.
I think
Bacteria
but
became parts of the large
didn't try.
microorganisms. They became the organelles we
they already saw.
Oh.
Once the larger microorganisms contained chloroplasts, they gained the ability to perform photosynthesis. Today, chloroplasts are organelles in the plant cells, but they still have their own DNA, which is different from the DNA in the nucleus of the cell. If a plant cell somehow loses its chloroplast, the cell can't make more. Only a chloroplast can make another chloroplast. Based on this, scientists have figured out that chloroplasts were independent microorganisms before they became part of a plant cell. It's amazing, but true. So we see at the bottom here, the microscope shows a group of cyanobacteria. These bacteria can perform photosynthesis.
They're biggies.
Gabriel, go back to class. Alright, where's your book at?
You can never
I'll
be
call
big.
the office to tell them to take you back to class. Hurry up. Go sit down. No, go sit down.
We'll have stuff from the school.
My bad.
Like, who makes these photos? Like,
So we answered question number 1, right? What are organelles? So organelles are... We're doing the next question. I want you to help me answer this question. Right, so again, number 1, what are organelles?
They're term for different cycles.
Yeah, that's the term for it. That's some part of it.
Ew.
Yeah, that's right.
It's just one of the. Oh my
It
god.
says what are some organelles in this? What are the organelles?
he's like, oh my god, Jeremy. And he's like on my other camera. He like, oh my god. I'm broke. Bro, why are you commenting so much? Wait, hey yo. What is my other camera?
This is what organelles.
Bro, I had to take he said, man, I had to go. I was like, what is it? I forgot what he said. He said like a bird or something. I didn't know. I had to go comment. But he kept on commenting. Oh, bro, he's 9. Yeah, he's 9. And then look. Do you guys have to? No, I was trying to get a secret issue because I don't. He doesn't go on TikTok. I said, well, I don't know if it's freaking. I was trying to get off.
And I want one piece of
What's tomorrow? No.
No.
Maybe not. No, that's you. Wait, I'm sorry. No, not you. What is Bro? Why is everything so sus? I know, he's not even out. One day. Okay, who's the leader? Nina, wait, 1 and 2. Why? You know that one? Nina? Yeah, I've watched it. No, I've never been Nina. Watch it right now. Wait, what's it called? What's it called? I think that's actually that. Isn't it that thing? That's what's here?
I was blocking you guys. Little bitch. I won't get the chance.
14 minutes, bro. Wait, why did it?
Okay, how about the pasta should be corn. Because that's what they like. You never know what to do for the work.
Adele's making me watch this.
Yeah, that's the news, guys.
I just want to go and take it off. Watch it. It's funny.
Unless you listen to YouTube. I'm not
Does he do this? And both
going to
so fast.
Okay, so this is a winner. That's
That is? Oh.
and like
What's her name then? Okay.
I don't know what her name is, but she's the fish.
11 minutes.
I think she's like the second one to get out.
But she keeps on moving. What? She keeps on moving.
Oh.
I think she's on TikTok. Like she posts.
They kind of look like G. Oh yeah,
She's the first one to get out.
Because like normally
There's oh, her name's Jordan.
Okay, wait. I want to go to the funny
okay,
part.
bro.
and I was also playing Call of Duty Marvel Rivals and I got clipped.
The joke of the day, I like this.
They're just gonna find ways to like get the $1,000.
Bro, that makes it.
She's the one that's starting problems with her.
Why?
I don't know.
That one guy's going to do really
Oh, wait.
Oh, just
Hurry up. Just for...
So like the Call of Duty one where you can throw missiles at people.
Where's the part where she's sitting there?
That's when she gets out.
It's a game. It's a game. No, I got that. Hey, tell me a joke.
Where do newborn cats swim?
Where?
In the kiddie pool. Bro, buggers.
Bro, this guy's way better.
She's crying. Bro?
This is iconic laugh. I can't really do it.
Bro, what is my guy watching?
That guy gets out.
Okay. Bro. What am I, like, what? He's cutting his hair. Look what his girlfriend is. My guy's really in love with that girl. This guy.
Oh, this one's kind of I don't know where it is. Did you see it?
Well, I've heard it, and I think I saw a clip of
What is my name?
I don't know where it is. Because I don't even think it's about to end. Oh, I thought he came.
You guys got 4 minutes.
They don't say it. I don't know. Wait, maybe it's in the comments. Oh my god, the comments are turned on. But I've seen the clip before. I went back to TikTok.
Oh, tell me that website. Please.
Now.gg.
Just give it back to him. No, bring it, no, he get it because he already left to go get one.
40 minutes. Bro, 40 minutes. That's probably 5.
Oh, I love this one. The computer. But look at this bear, bro.
Oh my god, Kung Fu. Go where you
Just finish up the kick 19
Oh,
and then
check
you
with me.
sit there.
But back
How does it make it last so high pitch?
I know.
I need to try again. Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah. Clubhouse guy.
Let's go, baby hippo. That's so much chocolate.
Oh, I love this one.
Oh, who's working in class?
You're one in a million. Thanks, Chuck. Thanks, bro. No, you don't.
Go put it back.
Okay. Okay, guys. That is the end of. Wait, that's the end of our vlog, guys.
Is that you in real life?